Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this video is going to be very important. So please watch the video till the end. Now, so TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, and all mass recruiter company will reject who is cheating. So as you are aware, so many Telegram groups, you are easily able to get the answer. So these companies, how they are tracking, and many are putting effort, many of the students are putting effort, but they are not able to get it in the companies. But other student, just by scrolling through the Telegram group during the exams, they are able to get the job. So discussion revolves around that. And also friends, if you have the talent and if you really wanted to get placed in the companies like Google, Amazon, Walmart, Facebook, so all man companies and the top companies, then how should you enhance your skill? What are the skills you need to this is required to get into this top MNCs? So friends, basically what's happening is, so there are a lot of Telegram groups are there, and there students are easily able to get the answers for any kind of examination, either it is TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Wipro, and all other examination, and they are easily able to make it right in the examination. So now my question to you is, okay, see, if all are thief, okay, so out of 100, if 99 people are cheating or 90 people are cheating, then why we are not doing that? See, I know, okay, I know we don't want to do that, but friends, everybody is doing the cheating and they are getting into the company. If you are not doing, where you are getting placed? You are not getting placed, right? So I'm suggesting students, okay, you also do the same thing. Okay, so just during the examination you solve by yourself, and also follow the Telegram groups, because the company AI algorithm is not that proper to identify who is cheating and who is not cheating. So friends, the companies are not going to reject anyone if your photo was not there in the screenshot, okay, or if your ID was not there in the screenshot, and if it has not reached to the company. And I will advise everyone, okay, so you also do not leave the chance. See, when everyone is thief, then you also have to become that only. If you are a good person, then you will be still struggling to get a job. And if you have the talent, then please work on your skills and get placed in the company, those who pays a lot of amount, like Amazon, Flipkart, right? So here we have Flipkart, okay, and then we have Walmart, and then we have I mean, a lot of companies, are the man companies are there, right? So how to get free coding courses and get placed in the top MNC? Because if you want to get placed in the top companies, then your skills should be right. So that right skills you should have, okay, so you should be having the good coding skills. See, with the help of aptitude and reasoning, you will not get placed. See, if we'll talk about the mass recruiter company, so if you're good at aptitude reasoning, you will get placed, okay. And friends, inside the company, nobody asks you aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability. Okay, so inside the company, only coding will be there or testing will be there. So friends, if you are doing the cheating, during your exam, no problem at all, because inside the company you are not going to face problem if you are weak at aptitude, reasoning, and verbal ability. So here, how to get free coding course and get placed in top MNCs, that I am going to discuss. So friends, you must be knowing about Coding Ninja. And why I'm telling must be knowing about Coding Ninja, because their courses are very much famous, okay, and they have got 4.9 star reviews on Facebook, 4.8 star reviews on Google, and 50 plus questions answered on Quora. And this Coding Ninja is going to organize the summer scholarship, Code Your Summer, 22nd and 23rd of May. I will also tell you, you only have 6 days, 4 hours, 37 minutes, and 54 seconds right now to get this course, for free. Now I will tell you, friends, so Coding Ninja offers courses from basic to advanced level in programming in C++, Java, Python, machine learning, web and Android development, and data science. And some of the Coding Ninja USP you must be knowing, that they have one-to-one doubt resolution support. Courses are prepared by engineers from Facebook, Amazon, right? Stanford University. etc. Courses are very well structured for the college student as well as the working professional. You have the dedicated placement support, okay, and you can also see Hall of Fame. So Coding Ninja alumni who got placed in the top companies like Microsoft, Flipkart, Amazon, Zomato, Amazon, Samsung. Okay, so this is the proof basically which you will be having. Okay, so Coding Ninja is back once again. I'm telling you, so Coding Ninja is back once again with the biggest scholarship test ever, where student and professionals is not only get 100% scholarship on all coding courses, but also get exciting benefits like all students who enrolls post scholarships, I'll get exclusive paperback book, that is Ace Your Coding Interview by Coding Ninja. Okay, so this you can see Ace Your Coding Interviews, and this book with a book with 250 plus coding problems delivered to you. And if we'll talk about, this is nothing but 1500 rupees worth. Okay, so this will be completely free, and you will be also getting the industrial training support will be there, industrial training certificate will be there. Okay, and all those kind of supports during the training will be there, one-to-one doubt support and assured scholarship. So up to 100% and at least 10% scholarship will be there. And friends, the test date, as I told you already, so 22nd and 23rd of May at 9 p.m. In case a student is not able to take the test on 22nd of May due to any reason, they can appear for the same test on 23rd of May. And most importantly, friends, the test contains only 30 aptitude question. You need not know how to code. So if you do not know coding, there is no problem, friends. And once again, I wanted to repeat here is, so you will be getting the Ace to Coding book you will be getting, and then you will be getting the industrial training certificate, that summer training certificate. Okay, course goodies, free coding book, industrial training certificate. These are the main thing why I'm telling that. And a scholarship. So as I mentioned, friends, so you will be getting from 10% till 100%. Okay, and there will be only 30% aptitude based questions will be there, and no negative marking, and pocket friendly registration fees will be there. Now you will ask me, sir, how do I register? So friends, the link is given in the description. Okay, so you can scroll down and you can go through all the details. So the link will be given in description. Once you click on this link, then you have to apply the coupon code 50. So once you will use, the coupon code will be also given in the description. So once you will apply the coupon code, then you just have to pay 48 rupees. It is not even 4T price. Okay, so for 1T price will be almost 12 rupees. So it is not even 4T price, and you will be able to get the courses which is available for 45,000, 50,000. So if you go through the Coding Ninja courses, okay, so these are the courses, and if you'll go through that, these courses are really very much costly, which you will be getting through the scholarship for completely free. And why I'm suggesting Coding Ninja? Because of their reviews and because of their ratings. So friends, today itself you enroll for this, and let us crack this only aptitude questions, and we will be definitely able to get this scholarship. Thank you, take care, and all the very best for your scholarship test.